Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. If you're interested in implementing free sanity testing tools to help plan, run, and automate sanity tests on stable software builds, below is a list of some of the best sanity testing tools available online for free today. 1. ZAPTEST Free Edition. ZAPTEST is a free testing tool suite that is available as both a free version and a paid enterprise edition. The ZAPTEST free tool is a software testing tool that allows users to automate sanity tests, smoke tests, and other types of software tests to test applications for Mac, Windows, Android, and other platforms. It's easy to operate and the ideal way to try out sanity testing automation without paying a premium. In brief, ZAPTEST's one-script technology allows for test automation on any software application, cross-platform, cross-browser, cross-device, and in a codeless interface that is ideal both for beginner and very experienced testers. 2. QA Wolf. If you're looking for simplicity, QA Wolf is a delightfully simple QA testing application that's fully hosted in your browser, which means you won't need to download anything to use it. You can use QA Wolf to carry out automated tests no matter what your skill level is. 3. Selenium. Selenium is another testing tool that's available as both a free edition and a paid-for version. Selenium is compatible with a lot of programming languages, which makes it a great choice for development teams using less common languages, and it can be used to automate sanity testing and other types of testing for web applications. 4. Wadier. If you want to get started writing your own automated software tests, but you don't know where to start, Wadier is an open-source tool that makes it easy to write simple and maintainable automated sanity tests. 5. Windmill. Windmill is an open-source testing tool that was created to automate the testing and debugging of web applications. It's an effective tool for sanity testers wanting to check that web applications have been properly debugged during the development stage. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.